Your grandson?
Looking at camera.
Please tell the people what your grandson's name is.
JAHJAH. He's a twin.
A
JAHJAH and Selassie. Selassie died. Leave JAHJAH.
Oh yeah? Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. So why did your son is a Ras?
Father is a Ras.
The daughter?
Ras.
So it's your daughter's children? Oh, what a coincidence that his name is JAHJAH. Amazing coincidence. That's the father?
Yeah, Ras.
That's the mother, right there.
I've seen mother what is.
Come here a second.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
I'm not too bad.
You know that our foundation's name is JAHJAH Foundation, right?
I found out that this morning.
Just wanted out?
Yes, sir.
But what a coincidence that your son's name is the son, eh?
Yes.
Son's name is JAHJAH. Why did you name him JAHJAH?
Why? Because he's a very special boy. He was born with pneumonia, and he spent the first 3 months in come out. He was in intensive care in the hospital. So it's just also it's a little twist. JAHJAH and Selassie original because it was two babies.
Boys and two boys or a boy?
No, I wouldn't know that because he was very young. I only found 2 heartbeats. The doctors found 2 heartbeats. So, because he's a very special boy, JAHJAH. Because only him alone can do that. JAHJAH alone.
Oh, wow. Very impressive. So how do you feel about the JAHJAH Foundation coming here today to provide some healthcare services to your community?
Well, Little London, we have very much a lot of elderly persons here in Little London, and I think it's very important that their health is up to standard.
Right.
So to get regular checkup for the body, even young and old, because I realize that the foundation is for kids and adults. So it's really impressive what the foundation is all about.
So you appreciate them coming here?
Yes, very much.
Well, thank you very much and keep on doing a great job in raising little JAHJAH here. JAHJAH, say hi, wave to the camera. Wave, say bye. Bye. All right, thank you.
And thank you and your foundation.
Yeah, well.